Okay, welcome back. Again, my name is Anthony Smith. I work for the Rochester City School District Instructional Technology Department, and this is part 2 of our eLearning2Go. So now that at the end of the first video, you saw that you had to update your course. So that threw it up here to our eLearning site. So you're just going to go to our login site. This is our welcome page, elearning.rcsdk12.org. And here you're going to go to the login. You're going to click your login. And you're going to notice that this is your teacher homepage up here. And everything that you're going to need really is going to be underneath this courses. And you should be able to see your course. And my course that my student is in is right here in IYP Health 911 OCR Monroe County IYP. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click right here on the gradebook, because what I'm really doing here is I'm going in and I'm going to be checking the grades, and I'm going to be accepting writing assignments that my students have uploaded. And you can see here I have a couple students in this course. Here is Serena, who is our test student that you just saw, and she had, so far she's got a 70, she's getting the C grade, she's on pace, and she's currently passing the course here. And here are all of our assignments. So I can have all of my assignments, or I can have just the mental and emotional health unit, and that'll show me just the assignments within that section, which you can see that she's completed some. Here under social and consumer, you can see that she hasn't. So as we move down, she's only completed the first module. So I'm going to go back to all assignments, and I can see that under here in this writing assignment she has submitted. It says status needs grading. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to see here, here's our student document, here's attachment. I'll view it, I'll open it up. And here is her assignment. So I'll look it over, close it out, and here is where I can also give some feedback. I can add some notes here. So a little friendly feedback, and for overall score she got 18 out of 20 points, and then I would just submit that score. So you can see here now that the document has gone and it's now points. There's the 18 points that I gave her. She's got a grade, and you can see that the quiz was automatically graded. So that's the nice thing, but these quizzes here are automatically graded by the system, so you don't have to do much. Only for the writing assignments will you actually have to come in here and then give a grade. And that's going to be it for your managing of your student grade book. If you need to communicate with any of the students or your whole class, you can just hit communicate, send email, you can post, or make some announcements from your grade book. So if I wanted to make an announcement, I just click on announcement. Here you can see it says new announcement. I'll click on that, put a subject, and everyone in the class is going to receive it. There's the start date, and I'll just click post. And now when my students log back in, they're going to be able to see that post. One final thing in the gradebook is to export scores. If you need to export scores, you'll simply see that right here is an option for that. You'll click export scores. You'll make sure that you have all the information that you need. So first name, last name, username, maybe their ID, maybe even their external ID. is important. You're going to have to check with your supervisor to make sure you have all the correct student information that you need. Item information, title, category, ID. Again, the title is important. Item data, percent, points, maybe even points possible, the letter grade, minutes that they spent, and the header row. I'm going to have all my item data in there. And I'm going to export it as a CSV file. It's a very common format. You can do a tab delineated file if you want, but I'm going to go with the CSV, and I'm going to export. And you can see that I can just open it or save it. So I'm just going to open it, show you what it looks like. Across the top here, you're going to see all of your titles that we just checked. You can see also at the very top, you can see each module and quiz grade for the students. So this is a nice, comes out into a great format for you to share with any other entity that you need to share the students' grades with. Now that we've gotten all of our grading done, I want you to know that you can also view this course as a student. All you have to do is simply come up here and click View, and you have access to this course just like your students would see it. You can see that you have all of your folders here with all the different links and the content, and here are all your different modules that you can access and the quizzes. So you can go through this, preview it beforehand, check out everything before your students or as your students are going through, so you know what they actually have to do.